If your 3D prints are looking like this, you probably have an issue with your bed adhesion. You can try to use a brim or increase the bed's temperature, but the best solution is to find a way to prevent drafts from hitting your print using an enclosure. I was able to come up with this really janky yet effective enclosure. Essentially, it is comprised of these foam playmats that are connectable. And basically what you do, you can assemble a cube-like shape. And you can see these tabs and how they're liftable. It's easily reconstructable, so I would highly recommend looking into making this yourself. Even not being fully enclosed, this actually greatly improved my printer's bed adhesion, especially in the cold winter months. And using a piece of cardboard as a door, you can see that now these 3D prints won't fail on you.